Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Pokemon video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Squirtle versus Bulbasaur Surprise Fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Bulbasaur versus Squirtle Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold. That way it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to fold it again, and I'll give it another nice fold so it looks like a bookmark. Now, when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin with Squirtle. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make the eye. So I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up, and then I'm going to curve it down. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve across here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve in. Then I'm going to put an oval shape at the top here, with a little line going right across. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up for the nose. And then I'm going to curve a line that's just going to come around here. And then it's going to come down for the head. Then I'm going to bring this line down. And we're going to come up here. Then I'm going to make a little line for the eyebrow. And then a little dot for the nose. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. And I'm going to curve this down for part of the shell. Then I'll make one that's going to come out, and then we're going to curve this down for the other part of the shell. Next, I'm going to curve this line out. And then I'm just going to make a couple little lines right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down like this. And then one's going to curve down here. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Squirtle. So I'm going to start right here with the eye. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up. And that's going to curve down. Then I'm going to make a little line right across here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. And then like an oval shape right there. Then we're going to make a little line that curves right to here. Now for the nose, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come up here. Then for the head, we're going to curve this line around. And we're going to bring it down to here. I'm going to put a little dot right here for the nose. And then a little curved line for the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to curve this line down. And I'm going to bring it up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to curve it down like this to start the shell. Then I'll make another line that's just going to curve down and kind of follow that same shape. Then we'll curve this line to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to bring this out here. Then I'm going to curve this line down. And I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 little bumps. Next, I'm going to curve this line down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little curves for the shell. And then for the back of the shell, I'm just going to make 1 and then 2 little curve lines. Now, over here, I want to make Bulbasaur. So I'm going to start with the eye. So starting here, I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve back. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come over, and I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And then another little line right here for the reflection. Then I'm going to make a little line here for the eyebrow. Then for the nose, we'll just curve a little line up. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and over for the head. And then I'm going to make a big line that's going to come up to a point and then down here for the ear. Next, I'm going to bring this line over. Then I'm going to put a little dot for the nose. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then up. Then I'm going to bring this line down. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line down for the leg. Then I'm going to bring this up. Next, I'm going to add a little line right here that goes kind of in and then back out. And then a little square shape right here for some of the spots. Then up here, I'm going to make a little triangle shape and then like a little square shape. And then right here, I'm going to curve this line up. We're going to come out with a point and another point for his little seed pod. And we're going to make a line that's going to curve down here. Now, once we have this drawn, our next step is to open it up and draw the inside. Now, after we have this opened up, we have two halves of our picture. We have Squirtle and Bulbasaur. So let's begin by finishing the inside. So I'm going to start off by connecting Squirtle's head right here. Then I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. Then I'm going to curve it up into a smile. Make a little line here. Then I'm going to curve this line down. And we're going to curve it to here and then connect for the chin. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down. And then another line that comes down for the back of his mouth. Right here, I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to go down. It's going to come up and then down here for the tongue. And then I'm going to make a line that comes up and another line for the back of the mouth. Then we want to make one of Squirtle's water attacks coming out. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come out here, and then a line that's going to come out here. I'm going to make this wavy to connect. And then I'm going to make this one really wavy for like the front of the water. Then I'm just going to make some little wavy lines right in here. Next, let's draw Bulbasaur. So I'm going to start right here by making this line come down. Then I'm going to curve this line up into a smile. Put a little line here. Then I'm going to make this line come down. We're going to curve this up and connect. Then I'm going to draw a little tooth right here. Then I'm going to make a little tongue that's just going to come down, up, and down. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to make another line that's going to come up here. Then we're going to draw another line that comes here, and one more that comes here. Next, I want to make Bulbasaur's vines coming out of here. So I'm going to start here by drawing a line that's just going to come around. We're going to make it kind of wavy, and then right to here. I'm going to make this line come up and then connect to the water. I'm going to curve this line around, and we're just going to bring this right back to here. Then we'll just connect these lines. Next, I'm going to make another wavy line. It's going to come up here. We're going to curve around and come right to here. We'll make a little bump here. And then we're just going to kind of follow that same curve all the way around. Then I want to add some different leaves in here too. So I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve to a point and then come back. We'll make another one here. We'll make one kind of almost like touching the water a little bit. And then one kind of over here. We'll make another one here. And we'll just kind of fill in some different leaves all around here. Then I'm going to put a little line down each leaf. And then I'm going to put a stem on each one. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Squirtle versus Bulbasaur Surprise Fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have the two Pokemon friends staring each other down, and then when you open it, they're using their water and razor leaf attacks. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.